In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use outgoing links in Obsidian, so you can understand the connections between your notes and navigate your knowledge base with confidence. Obsidian is one of the most powerful tools for personal knowledge management, and outgoing links are a core feature that helps you see where your current note points to, making it easier to build a web of interconnected ideas. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you need to open Obsidian on your computer. Go ahead and launch the application, and give it a moment to finish loading all your plugins and settings. Once Obsidian is open, you'll want to open the vault that contains your notes. This is your collection of markdown files, where all your thoughts and information live. Then, navigate to and open the specific note whose outgoing links you want to view. Outgoing links are simply all the internal links that your current note points to, meaning every time you've typed double square brackets and connected to another note, that destination becomes an outgoing link. This feature is incredibly useful for understanding how your notes are connected, because it shows you the relationships you've intentionally built. Before you proceed, make sure your note actually contains at least one internal link, otherwise the outgoing links pane will appear empty. If you've never linked a note before, just type two opening square brackets, start typing the name of another note, and select it from the suggestions that appear. Now let's open the outgoing links pane so you can see those connections visually. Look over to the right sidebar in your Obsidian window. If you don't see a sidebar on the right, click the right sidebar button, which looks like a panel icon or an arrow pointing left, usually located in the top right corner of the interface. Once the sidebar is visible, you should see several tabs at the top. Click the tab labeled Outgoing Links. If you don't see that tab at all, click the plus icon or the More Tabs button in the right sidebar, then select Outgoing Links from the drop-down menu. The pane will load and display a list of all the notes your current note links to, and a separate section for any unresolved links you've typed that don't yet point to an existing note. One of the best things about this pane is that it updates automatically as you switch between notes, so you can keep it open while working, and always see outgoing links for whatever note you have active. This gives you a real-time map of where your current thinking is leading. Take a moment to review the linked notes displayed in the outgoing links pane. You'll see a clean list of note titles, and each item represents a note that your current note is directly connected to through an internal link. Spend a few seconds scanning through them to get a sense of the topics you've woven together. The more links you create throughout your vault, the more connected and powerful your knowledge base becomes, because each link acts like a bridge between related ideas. Outgoing links help you understand the relationships between your notes at a glance, revealing patterns in how you organize information. Regularly reviewing your links is a great habit because it keeps your vault organized and reminds you of connections you might have forgotten about. You might notice that some notes appear multiple times, or that certain topics are more heavily linked than others, which can give you insight into where your research or thinking is most dense. Now, let's actually open one of those linked notes to see how this pane improves navigation. Simply click any note title in the outgoing links list, and that note will open in your main editing area. Wait a moment for it to load, then review its contents. You might be surprised how quickly you can jump between related topics without having to search through folders or use the quick switcher. Opening notes from the outgoing links pane is often faster than traditional navigation, especially when you're working with a complex web of interconnected information. This makes it effortless to move between related ideas and build a deeper understanding of your subject matter. Once you've finished reviewing that linked note, you can return to your previous note by clicking back in the outgoing links pane or using your history navigation. I recommend using descriptive note titles because that makes linked notes much easier to identify in the list at a glance. Now, let's add more links to your original note so you can see the outgoing links pane update in real time. Return to your starting note and place your cursor where you want a new link. Type two opening square brackets, then start entering the name of another note you want to connect. Obsidian will show you a drop-down list of matching notes. Simply select the correct one from the suggestions. Once you've made your selection, the link is created and the two notes are now connected. Go ahead and save your changes. Obsidian typically saves automatically, but it's good practice to confirm. Every new internal link you create will automatically appear in the outgoing links pane the moment you switch notes, or even while you're still editing. This immediate feedback helps you see your knowledge base growing in real time. Linking related notes dramatically improves navigation throughout your vault, making it easy to follow trains of thought. However, be mindful not to create unnecessary links that don't add value. Each link should represent a meaningful relationship between ideas. Finally, continue building your knowledge base by opening additional notes and adding internal links between related topics. As you work, keep an open the outgoing links pane so you can watch your connections expand. The more you link, the more your vault becomes a living web of information rather than a collection of isolated files. Outgoing links work especially well for project documentation, research, meeting notes, and study materials where topics naturally intersect. Combine outgoing links with other Obsidian features like backlinks, graph view, and page preview to gain an even deeper understanding of how your notes connect. Backlinks show you which notes point to your current note, while the graph view gives you a visual map of your entire vault. As your vault grows, linking notes consistently makes information much easier to find and navigate, saving you time and mental energy. A well-connected vault creates a stronger personal knowledge management system, allowing you to discover relationships between ideas more easily and think more creatively. By using outgoing links in Obsidian, you can quickly see every note referenced by your current note, making it easier to navigate related information, build meaningful connections between ideas, and create a more organized and interconnected knowledge base. I encourage you to open a few notes today and start linking them together. See how your vault transforms into a web of insights. If this tutorial helped you, consider saving the video so you can revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy linking.